Hello and welcome to my channel. So today it's going to be another DIY video, and this time I'll be installing these acoustic panels. They're about 8 millimeters thick or thin, and basically I just want to partially soundproof one of the walls in my bedroom where I also have my workstation nearby. I live in a condo unit, and the wall is kind of shared with the other unit. So I just want to make sure that I am not a disturbance of the other unit. So I'm kind of soundproofing it on my end. So yeah, let's go. So this is the part of the bedroom where I'll be putting the acoustic panels. This is that area right here. So this is my bed, and I have my workstation just over here on the side. So I got these panels in 4 different colors. So this one is white, the other one is beige or off-white, and this one is brown, and the other one is a darker shade of brown. And I plan to install them with the lightest color at the top, going to the darker colors at the bottom. These panels are at about 9 millimeters in thickness, and it's made of this fibrous material, and it also already has an adhesive at the back. So it's practically ready to go. All you need to do is stick it on the wall. Right. Before I purchased the panels, I needed to make sure that I measure the whole wall first. So I simply got the length and the height. And then I calculated the area of this wall right here. And then I also got the area of each panel. So I needed to determine how many panels I need to purchase, right? So I just got the area of this wall, got the area of the panel, and then divide the area of the wall by the area of the panel. And that's where, when I determined the number of panels I needed to purchase. I went ahead and prepped the wall already. So I made sure it's clean and free from dirt or any kind of. By the way, I also need to make sure that I remove this mirror right here. So that I can put the other panels in there. So once the panel is in there, I'm just gonna reinstall the mirror on the wall. Okay, so in this project, I'm gonna be using this laser level for me to be able to lay out the panels in here. So all I need to do is use this laser level to make sure that everything is lined up. All right, so far this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna reinstall the mirror in there. Okay, and I'm just left with a few more panels that I'll be installing here at the bottom. So I took some time to clean up the area over here, because there were a lot of dust and debris. So I had to take them all out so that I'll be able to clean this wall as well. And then put the remaining dark brown panels at the bottom. By the way, I would also need to cut out a portion of one of the panels so that I can have this outlet exposed. Okay, so the panel will have to go through like so, like that, and this one will be over there. So this is now how it looks like. And if I want to service this outlet, I'll be able to just pry it open on the side using a flathead screwdriver. Right. All right, so I'm done installing the bottom part of the panels. Looks really nice and flush. So there, see the outlet there. Yeah, overall it looks really, really nice. So here are three things that I want to share as part of my observation after installing the acoustic panels. So number one is don't really expect a huge reduction of noise coming from the other side. I'm not sure if the other unit has some acoustic treatment as well on the wall, but I will still be able to hear some level of noise, but I think it has been somehow reduced because the acoustic panels would dampen the vibration of the wall. I would not be able to tell if they experience the same from my unit to theirs, but I can only tell from my side. And the other one that I wanted to just give a probably a heads up maybe is the cleaning effort that may be required because of the material. You may need to use like some lint roller or vacuum cleaner to add some extra effort on cleaning the wall with the acoustic panels installed. And lastly, although it doesn't really bother me that much, but if you are kind of conscious about the looks of your room, um, having these acoustic panels, especially with the kind of darker shade, it may seem to look, or your room might seem to look like it's narrower instead of being wide. And probably the reason is because of the design. And if you have like a mirror instead, it would make your room look wider, right? But those are just the three observations that I want to share after installing the acoustic panels. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. That's it. See you on the next DIY video. Bye.